I look like a zombie from The Walking Dead.
Smells
Like literal dog poop.
Hi, my name is Mika.
And my name is Scarlett.
Hi, my name is Logan, and this is my cousin Ariel. Ariel, how old are you? Say it. How old are you?
3 years old.
Is this my dog's chew stick?
What do we do with it? Mine looks like a brand.
No, it smells too bad. I can't do it.
It smells, but this smells too bad, so
No.
Smells like literal dog poop. That was the worst one ever.
This looks like crushed up chalk.
I don't want to taste it. I look like a zombie from The Walking Dead.
It makes my teeth black.
It looks like mud.
It looks like poo, but black poo.
That smells like mud, like literally. That really smells like dirt.
It smells like burnt
It smells like
something.
I don't want to taste it.
I would not brush my teeth with this.
Never. Without. I can't.
Yay! I
Oh
want
no,
to
I
try
hate
more products.
mouthwash. It's always super minty and it hurts my throat. Oh, really, really minty. Like,
I really don't like the smell. It's really strong.
smells like a bunch of Altoids like mixed up in juice.
I don't think this is
Probably
natural
not.
color.
It hurts.
It burns.
It hurts.
It burns.
I think it looks like snot.
Oh.
It tastes really yucky.
Oh, I know that taste. Dr. Lollipops. Yucky Dr. Lollipops.
I don't like it.
No. I don't like it.
Oh, it tastes. That's very minty.
I don't like it.
Can I get a napkin?
I don't like it because it's too minty and spicy.
Because it's too minty and spicy.
I would never brush my teeth with that.
Yeah, me either.
For kids, healthy teeth and gum mouth spray.
Very delicious.
I'm gonna smell it. Let me smell it.
The first mouthwash that we can actually swallow.
That tastes really good. I could drink this.
I love it. It tastes like berry.
Chocolate mint. And then it has a little ice cream cone. I like it.
I think I would really brush my teeth with this.
I don't think
toothpaste.
I would brush my teeth with this toothpaste.
It reminds me of my favorite ice cream, mint chip.
Reminds me of toothpaste.
It's awesome. That's my favorite.
I think my favorite one was the mint chip toothpaste.
That one and the spray that you spray in your mouth.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Auf Wiedersehen.